I want to talk about this emergency roadside kit that VCANENERGY sent me to do a video on. I've got a daughter who's going to be driving very soon, and you get worried. You want to make sure if something happens, they're stuck on the side of the road, they're going to have everything they need to handle whatever comes up, and definitely going to have this staying in her car. So what do you get? Right there on top, you get kind of an instruction manual on how to use pretty much everything in here. We're going to go right here. You get a tire pump. You get a flat tire. That's going to help you right there. Next, we get jumper cables. These are very valuable. You get a battery that needs to be jumped, you're going to be able to do that. Right here's a tire repair kit. You see it's got everything. It's got the punch, it's got the bacon and the seal in there. Right here you get a hammer. If you need to break glass or do something else, you can use that. Get a pair of gloves right here to keep your hands in good shape. Right here, a little first aid kit for bumps and bruises that you need to manage. Right here is a flashlight. Does not come with a battery, so make sure you put a battery in it and keep probably a few spare batteries in the pack as well. Right here you have a tire pressure gauge. You're going to want to make sure to use that to make sure you have enough pressure. If you get a flat tire and you pump it up, you want to make sure there's enough pressure in there to drive. Right there is a roadside vest to get good visibility. Right in here, you've got a tow rope. That's going to be really valuable. Sometimes you have to be hauled away to safety. There's not a wrecker. You get someone else in the neighborhood who has a vehicle. They can hook right on you and tow you out of trouble. Right here, you get some roadside markings to create awareness for other drivers. And right here is a poncho if you're caught in inclement weather. And one of the other features I really like, if you look at the back here, it's Velcro. That strip right there is Velcro. So you can lay this down in the back of your vehicle. It's not going to slide over the place. It's going to be right where you need it when you want it. If you want to pick up one for yourself or a loved one, click on the link in the description below.